my channel UATech, and today's video we are going to be showing you how to remove a background on an image in the easiest way. Now in this video we are going to be using a website. So the first thing you want to do is going into Chrome or whatever type of browser you have, and you're going to go into Google and you're going to search for background remover, and it's going to be, you should look for backgroundremover.bg. So it's going to be the first link, and here we have background remover BG, and you can do whatever you want here. You can upload an image, and I'm going to personally take this one we have here. Okay, and it's going to be uploading the picture, and there we go. We have the little background. You can look at the original, and you can also look at the removed background. So they're kind of different. As you can see, the background is removed. So you can also go back and you can upload another image, and I'm going to search for another image that we have. So we have plenty of images here to select. So then you can just keep on going and going and going. I have a lot of images here that we have. I'm going to scroll all the way down. And here we have another picture of me in like a little Iron Man. Okay, and it's going to take time to upload. Okay, so it's uploading, so you'll have to wait for a while. And then there we go. So we have the image. The background, as you can see, is removed. So this is how it was before. As you can see, I'm in like an Iron Man cutout, and then this is how it is now. So I think I pretty much look cool in it. I'm like a little Iron Man. And then, so I'm going to go ahead, download. You can click on download, and it is going to pop this link in the bottom, and then you can open it, and there you go. You have your image in your files. So you're going to click on it, and then there you go. You have your image on your files. So that's how you can remove your background using Remove BG. I hope this video was useful for you. Make sure you guys comment down below if it was. And make sure you guys subscribe and smash the like button, and make sure you click on the bell icon for post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.